In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive file not supported. Seeing file type not supported in Drive usually means the previewer can't display that format in the browser. The file is fine, you just need another way to open it. First, I'll show the quickest fix. Open it on your computer. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Google Drive. In the results, click the official link that goes to drive.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, log in with your Google account to access your files. Once you're in Drive, locate the file that shows the unsupported message. You can browse through your folders or use the search bar at the top to find it by name or extension. When you found it, right-click the file and choose Download. Drive will prepare the file and save a copy to your computer, typically in your Downloads folder, unless you've chosen a different location. After the download finishes, open your file manager, find the saved file, and double-click it. At this point, your computer's local applications take over. If you already have software that understands that file type, it will launch and open the file. If not, you may need to install a compatible viewer or editor for that specific format on your computer, then try opening it again. If you prefer to view the file directly in your browser without downloading it each time, you can connect a specialized app to Drive. Back in Google Drive, right-click the same unsupported file and hover over Open With. If a compatible app is listed, select it to open the file right away. If nothing suitable appears, click Connect More Apps. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. Use the search box to look for a viewer or player designed for your file type. For example, search for a RAW viewer for camera files or a video player for uncommon video formats. Open the app's page to review what it does and check the ratings. Click Install, grant the requested permissions so it can read files from your drive and finish the setup. Return to your file in Drive, right-click, choose Open With, and pick the new app from the list. Your file should now open in the browser through that connected app. That's it. You can either download and open locally or attach the right app to preview inside Drive. Choose the method that fits your workflow and file type.